Hey there, it's Daniel from TheGoodocs.com, where you can get free Google Docs templates and guides. In this video, you will see how to change page orientation in Google Docs for single page and the whole document. So basically, there are two types of page orientation in Google Docs and elsewhere: the portrait and the landscape. And normally, the page orientation is being changed via the Page Setup menu and applied to the entire document. But Google has finally made it possible to apply different orientations to different pages in a single document. And here's how it looks. Where the first page is in a portrait mode, but the second has a landscape orientation, which is quite handy to be able to show the information differently, but within one document, especially if there are images. Now, let me show you two ways to make different orientations for pages in a single document, and for the entire document. The first way is performed straight from the doc. Highlight the data on the page that you want to turn into a landscape mode. Right mouse click on the highlighted data. Here in the menu, go down to the Change Page to Landscape item and press it. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see that the page with highlighted data changed its orientation to landscape. Normally, it also creates blank pages around the modified page, but that is easily cleared by just going to the blank page and removing the blank space. To apply the change to the whole document, highlight all data on the document with a mouse, or Ctrl+A shortcut on a PC and a Command+A on a Mac. Right mouse click on the highlighted data, down to the Change Page to Landscape item in the menu, press it, and here you go, entire document in landscape mode. The second way to change pages orientation is performed in a similar way, but through a toolbar on top of the document. So, to change the orientation of the single page, highlight the data on the page that you want to turn into a landscape orientation. Go to File on your toolbar. Here, go down to the Page Setup item and press it. Now here's the modifiable field, asking if you want to apply changes to the selected content only, or the whole document. If you have highlighted the data beforehand, you leave it like this, with selected content. Click the landscape below the orientation and press OK. Here it is. Scroll down to see that the page orientation turned into landscape. Now, to apply it to the whole document, you don't need to highlight anything. Just go straight to the file on the toolbar. Down to the Page Setup button, and it should be like this. Apply to whole document. Now click the landscape below the orientation, and then OK to confirm it. Here you go. The whole document's orientation turned into landscape. Hundreds more guides and a lot of free Google Docs templates on TheGoodocs.com following the link below the video. Like to help share our videos to more people and subscribe to see more guides. I hope we helped you. Thank you for watching.